By the way, if you come here at the end of October and November, it might get flooded, and I just came back here to check it out. You can see they have these big pumps here to clear it. Oh. Cap. Good morning. I'm here at the entrance of the Talad Noi area, and this is a district that I don't think a lot of people really know, and I already filmed here several times, but that's a long time ago, like 3 or 4 years ago. So today I want to show you one of my favorite areas in Bangkok, and this is next to the Bangkok area, and I think a lot of people don't know it that much because it's not so easy to get here. So there used to be a statue here with spoons and forks, but now we have a kind of transformer. Here you have the bike tour from Chao Phraya. Kaap. Goedemorgen. Okay, this is nice. So there is a very famous bicycle tour company in the area here, which is called Chao Phraya, which originally is Dutch. But I'm not here for Chao Phraya. I want to show you the Talad Noi area. And we start here at the Troksan Chao Rongkwak. Morning. So let's see if we can go in here. Goedemorgen. Linkerkant hier, hè? Hi. So this is, I think, one of the coolest areas in the city. Welcome to Talad Noi. It is Sunday morning. I think it's around 11:30, and this is a very popular area for tourists. And this originally is an area where a lot of mechanics live and work. And for that you have these reminders of that. There is a nice coffee shop here called Mother Roast, and it's already just worth going in here. Let me show you a bit more of the area. We are right on the Chao Phraya river. Next to the Chinese temple here. So there is a ferry pier here. So you can get here by boat. You can go to the Marine Department ferry pier, which is here on the Chao Phraya river. They are actually painting the pier at the moment. But this is your best entrance to the Talad Noi area. The Marine Department pier is next to the Chinese temple here. And this is my ride for today. Let's go. Last year they changed all the pavement here. This even gives it a better feel. There are quite a few nice coffee shops in here as well. So this is the Ban Rinnan. You come here in the evening. But unfortunately at the moment the Ban Rinnan is closed for renovations. So not much to show you here today. Hello.
Hello.
Thank you. You too. And this is a very nice coffee shop. And this is actually a diving school. So you can learn how to dive here and you can get a coffee, and it's called So Hang Thai. But I'm not gonna go in there. I'm gonna continue my ride. And here I would say is the star of this area. This is, if I'm correct, a Fiat 600. Somebody left its car in here. And this is a very popular spot for making pictures next to the body tree. And what I mentioned in the beginning of this video, this is an area where a lot of mechanics live. So you see mortar blocks everywhere. But what I want to show you is the Riverside Guest House. And we're gonna go and have a coffee there afterwards. So if you go right here, you get to the Riverside Guest House, but I'm gonna show you the rest of the area first. This is just a very nice part of historical Bangkok. Sawadee Krap. So we are here on the river again. So let me give you a quick peek. So here we have the Chao Phraya River, and these yellow boats, by the way, they are the cleaning crews, and they have many of these boats going around every day cleaning up the artery of the city. This building is called the Banyan Tree, and then in the back you have the Millennium Hilton and the Mandarin Oriental Tower and the Magnolias riverfront. You know, we're having beautiful weather. We're in the middle of the raining season, but this morning I'm very lucky. We have a bit of sun. That's also why I went out to film. So let's continue. A little bit later we're gonna go here to the Riverview Residence. By the way, there's a very nice coffee shop here called Hong Xiang Kong, but I think the Riverview Residences has a nicer view and the prices are a bit easier as well. This is a new place called the Vanchi House. As you can see, already a lot of tourists found this place. We are in luck. There is a market here. Let's have a look. So I'm here on the river, and if you are visiting the Talad Noi district anyway, then I can recommend to come and have a look here at the Talad Noi Museum. And this opened only 4 months ago, and this building actually used to be a shipyard. So this museum is for free, well, at least for now. And to come in, you just have to register yourself here at the registration. There are 2 floors. As I mentioned before, there are a lot of repair shops here, and you can even buy a souvenir if you want. Tap. So you see, you have all parts of the motor blocks incorporated with toys. And this artist also made the bumblebee at the entrance of Talad Noi. You can also come here to the photo hostel and photo cafe. And there's an elephant here from the elephant parade, and the elephant parade will take place in December. I will give you an update about that later. In the Talad Noi area you have a lot of little art shops as well, and this is the shop from Kun To. So Kun To has a lot of different art, and this is all from the Talad Noi district, and I just bought this card with the Fiat on it, and I can recommend to come. ขอบคุณมากครับคุณโต
Thank you.
Okay, and here you have the pothole, also made by Kun To. And if you see this one, I would say come and turn right. So let me actually show you a true hidden gem here in the Talad Noi district. So here at the Riverview Residence, you'll find the river vibe, which is on the 8th floor. So welcome to the Riverview Residences. Sawadee krap. So everybody is focused on the Chinese house downstairs, but look at these views, and as you can see, I am all by myself. Until now, it seems that nobody knows about this, and this is part of a guest house here, and this is the Riverview Residence, and I would say these are some of the best views on the river here. Down there you have the pier, and here you have the Chinese temple in front that I just showed you before, and there you have the Heng Peng Seng. Chinatown is around the corner. Let me show you the upstairs area as well, and this is a really nice place to have dinner in the evening. And in the middle of the day, this is a bit too hot. But you can imagine also in the evening, this is a perfect space to have a drink. Yeah, from here, you have a view of the whole city. So this is the Silom and Saton area. Wat Triamit, that is the entrance of Chinatown. You see the King Power Mahanakhon. Then you have the whole river area here in front with the Hilton Hotel, the Icon Siam. Yeah, I would say one of the top views on the river here. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the Talad Noi district here in Bangkok, one of the most authentic districts in the city. If you enjoyed it, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.